Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. Under the Khelo India initiative by the Government of India's Department of Youth and Sports Affairs, diverse sports events and tournaments are taking place across the country to promote sports and ensure the development of quality sports among the youth. In Kokrajhar district, various sports including archery, athletics, boxing, football, hockey, judo, kabaddi, wushu, Taekwondo and karate are currently being held at the Sai Stadium and KDSA playground, Kokrajhar. A notable sports tournament in this lineup is the ASMITA Khelo India Women's Football League, aimed at encouraging and empowering girls in football. The ASMITA Khelo India Women's Football League for the Under-13 category is underway at the KDSA playground at Kokrajhar, running from December 24, 2023 to January 13, 2024. Schools and clubs from Kokrajhar district are actively participating in this initiative. This tournament serves as a platform for young sports enthusiasts aspiring to pursue a career in sports. It also contributes to the promotion of women's football in the country. ASMITA Khelo India Women's Football League for the Under-13 category is a step towards fostering talent and encouraging participation among young girls in football. That concludes today's news. Stay tuned with Eastern Paradigm for more updates. Thank you.